Welcome to Hearts with a Purpose. Are you looking for a speaker for your women's ministry event that knows how to engage her audience? Are you looking for a speaker that will stir the hearts of the women in your audience? Are you looking for a speaker that knows the heartfelt needs of women? Are you looking for a speaker that knows the Word of God and that her life has been transformed because of the Word of God? Are you looking for a woman speaker that gets the pain, the troubles, the traumatic issues women go through? If you have answered yes to any of those questions, I would love to talk to you. I am Darlene Larson. I am a grief loss and a life purpose coach. Testimonials are below from pastors, from women ministry directors, as well as from women that sat in my audience. My information, email, phone is below, and I would love to talk to you about booking a speaking event that will fit the needs of your women, that will cause them to want to open up the Word of God and to begin to apply it and to grow and become all that God has created them for.